If you want a same-day cosmetic workflow that doesn't blow up your schedule, follow this minimum thickness for printed temps. Most mishaps don't actually happen in the printer. They happen while in your post-processing or trimming supports. When the walls are too thin, they flex, feel fragile, and snap long before they ever reach the patient. For reliable same-day interiors, you want your temps sitting between 0.2 and 0.3 millimeters. That range gives you the best balance of strength and aesthetics. Anything thinner than 0.2, you run the risk of cracking or chipping. For minimum prep cases, we would recommend keeping it closer to 0.2 to 0.3 millimeters. Dial in these numbers with your CAD design team, and your live turnaround cosmetic appointments becomes predictable instead of stressful, along with out of aesthetic quality. And if you want an even smoother workflow, pre-book your designs through Smart CAD so your file is ready the moment you need it.